Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating these rose boxes that I've been seeing surfing around the internet for a budget-friendly price. So they're very pricey, and so I wanted to do a dupe of them. So I'll be using all Dollar Tree items, so stay tuned. Okay, for the first box, I'm going to be using this round gift box that I picked up from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. I'm going to go ahead and paint it black. And these are the roses I'll be using, the purple roses. I'll be using a foam brush and some paint that I already had. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content. And if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And if you're one of my loyal supporters, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are currently at 5K subscribers. And I want to tell everyone thank you for watching my videos. And hopefully my content is something that is useful for you. So this is the box after I've given it 2 coats of the black paint. So I found this foam ball that I already had. I cut it in half and I'm going to use it as a filler. And so I'm just going to add the roses. I want them to sit right on top of the box, just like in the pictures. So even though I'm doing a dupe for a lower price, I still want it to look high end, as high end as I can get it. So I'm gonna let you finish watching the video and enjoying the music, and I'll be back once I get started with the second box.